how we're working on word problems. This is a new strategy called the cube strategy that we're gonna learn. Jordan, can you read the letter C? So we know what we're gonna do. This is how we're gonna help break down the math problem.
Circle the numbers and form word form.
Good job. You wanna go, Annie?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Underline
Underline the grid
what?
ground.
What is this right here?
Question.
Yeah, so it's a,
Question.
yeah. So it's saying,
And
it's saying,
will my
what?
will
Do
my
you know this word?
my
What am
be
what am I being
will my be
asked to solve? So that's, so you're gonna look for the question mark and we're gonna underline that part. Go ahead, Ariel.
box the keyword I'm going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide.
Good job. And then the E says evaluate and eliminate. What steps should I take and what information is not needed? Sometimes the word problem throws extra information just to trick you there. You don't even need a word. Oh yeah, George, can you do the S?
S.
Yes.
Solve and check. Did I answer the underlying question? How can I double check?
Nice. So we're gonna try one of these. I'll have this there too. So number A, or letter A, it says a store sells shirts for $12 each and pants for $15 each. If someone buys 3 shirts and 2 pants, how much do they spend in total? So what's the first thing we do, Linda? Annie? What's the pink thing?
Wrinkle.
Yeah, what is the first thing we do? What do you see on it? Wait, this thing.
Circle.
Yeah, we circle all the numbers. So we could circle all the numbers in the problem. That's so you don't miss anything. And then next, Ariel, what do we do?
The question.
Yeah, so we're looking for the question mark to find the question. Here it is.
Wait, how much did they spend into?
Yeah. So we underlined our question. Now we're gonna box the keywords. Do you guys know what the keyword is in that one?
Dividing.
It's a word that tells us if we're going to add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So like if it says all together, right, it means we're gonna add, or if it says find the difference, or how many left. Then this one, do you guys see the keyword in the question there?
Yeah.
What's the keyword? Starts with a T. Total. You got the right word there, Annabella. Oh, sorry, Emma. Okay. spend in total. So what does total mean we're gonna do? What do you think?
Total.
Does it mean we're gonna multiply or add?
Add.
Yeah, we're gonna add. So a store sells shirts for $12 each and pants for $15. So let's see. I'm gonna get another tape. So if it's $12 each for a shirt, for shirts you said $12. And how many shirts are we going to buy?
2. Oh, 3.
Yeah, 3 shirts. So we could add 12 3 times, or if we want to be fast, we can multiply. So 12 times 3 is $36. So this is how much money we're spending on shirts. And then how much do pants cost? Pants cost
That's 15.
$15. And how many pants did we buy, Ariel?
2.
Yeah, so we bought 2, so it's 15 times 2. What's 5 times 2, George?
5 times 2.
Mm-hmm.
10.
Good job. And then what's 2 times 1, Annie?
2.
Good job, plus 1 more makes 3, right? So now what do we have to do? Have we found the total yet?
No.
So what do you think we're going to do with 36 plus 30? Oh, I just told you. We're going to add.
So the 6 on the bottom.
Good job.
And the 3 plus 3 is 6.
Good job. Yeah, so it's $66. So it's a multi-step problem. So I'll leave that one there a little bit so we can do the second one. Class is planning a trip to the zoo. The cost is $5 per student. If there are 25 students in the class and $20 is collected from the teacher, how much more money is needed? So we have to circle all the numbers, right? So we're going to go a little faster now. Next, we have to underline the question. What's the question, Ariel?
How much more money is needed?
Good job. Tell me that. Is it still going? It's recording? 9 minutes. Okay. So we have our question, how much money is needed? Next, we gotta box the keywords. Oh, it says how much more money is needed. So that means we don't have enough. We have to find how much extra, right? So we're gonna have to, let's see. So what information do we not need to evaluate and eliminate? We don't care if they're going to the zoo that doesn't have anything we really need. The cost is $5 a student, and there are 25 students in the class. So we're gonna save that 20 at the very end. So it's 25 students, and there's $5 per student. We could add $5 25 times, but that would take like forever, right? So we're gonna multiply. What is it?
5 times 5 is 25. Good job.
And what about 5 times 2?
10.
the zoo.
That's not a lot. It is not.
That's how much we need all together, right? So that's $125 for everybody to go to the zoo. But the teacher paid $20. How do we get from 20 to 125? What can we do? What do you think we're gonna do to get from here to here? How can we solve it? How can we get from $20 to 125? How can we find the difference?
Because you want to do this good.
You think we're gonna add or subtract?
Subtract.
Yeah. Right. Good job. So we're gonna subtract 20, take away 125 to see how much money we need. Because the teacher paid $20, but we need $125.
So I have to take away a 0 is 5.
Good job. What about 2 take away 2?
0.
Uh-huh.
Take away 2 is
1 take away nothing is still 1, right? So we need $105 more for everyone to get to go to the zoo. I think we're gonna skip C and we're gonna do a real problem now. This is without the cubes in, okay? So can you go to this page that says a la boo boo at the top? What is it, this one? Yeah. Gemini helping me pick these word problems for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little cube strategy thing in case you want it for death. That's, if you want to do this strategy, help us solve these ones. Circle the numbers, underline the question, box the keyword. I'll get a small one up here too. That might work a little better. Who wants to try the first one? You want to? Anna, you've been on a roll. So a Labubu Mega Set costs $240. If Mark saves $15 a week for 8 weeks, how much more money does he still need to buy the set? It's kind of like the last one, right? So first we're going to do the $15 for 8 weeks, and then we're going to take it away from the 240, okay? So can you multiply 15 times 8? If you want to get more scratch paper, you can, or you could just do it at the bottom. Sure. There's a space right here, but it's not that big. $240, take away that. week 1, $15 week 2, $15 week 3, so we're multiplying.
Oh, what?
15 times
55 times 8 is 40.
Alright. Teamwork. And then 8 times 1, Annie?
Oh, 1.
8.
Oh, 8 times 1? Oh, it's 8.
And then add 4 more. We carried a 4.
So,
Good job. So we have $120 towards that Labubu, but we need $240. This is like a real life problem. Like Miss Tony, she was trying to get this mixer and she was saving up for this mixer and she had part of it. Right, Miss Tony?
Yep.
Like that's what we do as grown ups.
But life
We
has come in
save
way.
and we save. Her mixer was even more than that Labubu mega set though. $240, right? That's how much we need, but we have $120. So we're gonna take it away. See how much more money we need left.
0, take away 0 is 0. 4, take away 2 is 2.
Good job.
2, take away 1 is 1.
So look at that. This number and this number are the same, right? So Mark is halfway to his goal to getting that Labubu mega set. So the answer is $120. I was thinking that Ariel could do the second one because it's a pickleball question and you could do the Lego.
Go up.
This way?
Go up. You're actually wrong. And when I do 120 and 120 plus,
Mm-hmm.
I got 240.
That's perfect. So it's saying for 8 weeks, she made $120. So we need another $120. What did you get? You got a different answer?
Hmm?
What did you get, George?
Because he's left.
Oh, you added? So that's right. So in 8 weeks, we made 120. If we do another 8 weeks, we'll get all the way there, right? So we'll take 16 weeks. That's what George figured out. Okay. 1 second. No, but the right answer is 120.
947.
Please don't go ahead, Miss Tommy. Let's see if you can do this one all by yourself, Erin. I think you got this. Yeah, go ahead. A pickleball club ordered 15 boxes of balls. Each box contained 12 balls. During the tournament, 45 balls were hit over the fence and lost. So how many balls are left? So you have to figure out how many balls there were all together. Then you can figure out the last part.
We need to circle the numbers.
Good job. So what numbers did you circle?
15, 12, 45.
Nice. board is lost, right? They went over the fence and so we have to find out how many are left. Usually when you say leftover, what do you do, George?
Left.
They say there are 4 cookies. Yeah, we subtract, right? We're trying to see how many are left over, right? So we're going to subtract there. So that tells us we're going to subtract. And then it says a box contains 15 balls. And each box contains 12, right? So what do you think we're going to do there, Ariel? So each box contains 12. And we'll have 15 boxes. What should we do?
Times.
Who said that? That's right. Because we could add 12 15 times, but that's a lot of work. So you could just times it. Multiply. So you're going to multiply it, and then you're going to subtract to find that answer. Let's see.
5 with 10.
Let's let Ariel do it.
5 times 2 is 10.
So we got 10 there. Then what do you multiply next when it's double?
1 times 1 is
You're going here. 2 times 1
2.
plus 1 more.
3.
Now we passed out the 2 to everyone, so we're going to share the number 1 now. So now you can start multiplying number 1. 1 times 5.
1 times 5 is 5.
And 1 times 1.
1 times 1 is 1.
Yeah. What did you get? 180. That's right. So there's 180 balls all together. But then what happened to those 45? Yeah, we have to subtract because they were hit over the fence. You guys had coffee this morning.
We need to go to the next
This one? Knock on the neighbor's door there. Okay. But you put 10 take away 5 last, right?
5.
And 7 take away 4?
3. 1.
Okay. 135 balls are left over, right? And since George likes to check his work, he might say 135 plus, what did you add? Oh, 45, right? That's what you were doing earlier, George. And then you could say 5 and 5 is 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 180. So we got it right. The right answer though, like if you were taking a test, you're gonna put 135 balls because that's how many are left over after the other ones went over the fence. I think question number 4 is a little bit easier than question number 3. So I'm gonna give you that one, George. Question number 3 has a lot of really big numbers in it.
4.
And we just have a little bit of time left before everyone comes. So you're gonna do the Minecraft question. Do you play Minecraft? Perfect. Yeah, you're gonna do that one first. If you don't mind. You wanna read the question? Or you want me to read it?
Me?
Yeah. Do you want me to read it or you want to read
Which
it?
one? 3 or 4?
Oh, you're doing the Minecraft one. So number 4, I just start with it.
In Minecraft, in Minecraft, a player builds a wall that is 12 blocks high and 50 blocks long. If each block costs 5 emeralds to buy, what is the total cost of the wall?
What are the numbers we're gonna circle?
12, 15, and 5.
Good job being ready now, Annie. Yep, good job. And now we're gonna underline the question at the very end there. The question sentence usually has your keyword, and there it is. It says total. Do you know how we're gonna solve it after that, George? The
Time.
wall is 12 blocks high and 50 blocks long.
Times.
Yeah. So we're gonna multiply 50 times 12. Do you know how to do double digit or do you want to work it out together? Do you want to do it together or do you want to solve it and then tell me? Okay, so what's 0 times 2? So we're passing out the 2 to everybody first, because it's right here. So what's 0 times 2, George?
0.
0 times anything is
2.
0 times anything is. Don't listen to them. Think for you. You know your zeros.
0.
Yeah, it's 0. So 0 times 2 is 0. Now it's 5 times 2. 5 2 times.
7.
Let him do it. Alright, let's 5 2 times. You have 5 fingers on this hand and 5 on this hand. So how many do you have all together?
10.
Yeah, so 5 times 2 is 10. So you passed out the 2 to the 0, you pass it out to the 5, so we're all done with number 2. Now you're going to multiply 0 times 1 is, what is it, George?
Huh?
0 times 1 is,
0.
yep, anything times 0 is 0. And then 5 times 1 is,
5.
good job. So that's 600. Right? A lot of zeros, so it made it easy to add. And then George said if each block costs 5 emeralds.
Get ready to go.
Okay. Then we're gonna just say 5 divided into 600.
Go ahead and finish this one.
So now 5 times 1 is 5. What's 6 take away 5, Annie?
6 take away 5.
Mhm.
1.
Yeah, so then we're gonna bring down the 0. And then 5 times what makes 10? Annie? Sorry, I meant to say area.
2.
There we go. And then we're just gonna bring the 0 up. And we're all done. So it's $120. For 120 emeralds, sorry, we're talking Minecraft.